Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you a mess-free way to replace the fluid in your rear differential. We're going to use this mityvac unit, and the part number is below, and this is what it looks like. And it comes with two different attachments, and you could either pump fluid out, and if you change this you could actually suck fluid in. So let's begin. Now this is a 49-inch, and there's no drain plug on this. There's only a fill plug, and that's a 3/8 Allen on it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that off. I'm going to use the smallest extension because I got to go in and pass the gears down to the case of the rear. Alright, so that went in. On this end, you connect this over here. Push this down and start pumping away. Alright, so as you can see, it's coming down. And let that drain. Alright, so it's almost done. Air's going in now. You're not going to get all of it out, but the majority of it will come out this way. There's different ways of taking the oil out in these 9 inches. You could take the third member out, the pumpkin, and drain the oil that way. Or also, so what other people do is they pop the axle out one end and jack up the other and tilt all the oil out. The best way though is to cut a hole in the bottom and put a drain plug, which I'll also be doing, so keep an eye out for that video to come. We're pretty much done here for now, and this is how much we took out. Alright, so now we're just pumping the fluid over. What you do is you push this up and pump it, and you could drain everything into old quarts of oil or any containers that you have. So go ahead and empty this out. Alright, so we're pretty much done. We took out 2 and then 1/8 quarts, and the rear end takes about 2.5 quarts, so not bad for doing it this way. Now we're going to fill this back up with the same amount of rear end fluid that we took out. So to do that, you just pop this up and pop this out. And pour in the new rear end fluid right here. So just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, now we filled the mityvac with the proper amount of fluid, and we're just putting it all back in. Alright, now put some Teflon tape on this plug, and put the plug back in, and tighten her down. And that's good. So that's a no mess way to change your rear end fluid if you don't have a drain plug. You can also use mityvac for oil changes, regular engine oil changes, transmission oil changes, or any type of other differential type transfer case fluids. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, share me. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, Clowny1969. Also check out the link below in the description for my new apparel. See ya.